How to create a data flow diagram on ChatGPT. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So let's just jump right into it. First of all, open up any web browser you have and then go to the search bar, search for chatgpt.com. Hit enter and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now you can write any prompt you want of which you want the data flow diagram. So let's say I want a data flow diagram of e-commerce level 1, 2, and 3 on plant UML. Hit enter, and it will give you a code right here on plant UML. Just wait for the complete generation of the code. Once you have done that, all you have to do is simply go ahead and copy this code, open another tab and search for plant UML. Simply go ahead and open up the first link that you see here and go to online server. And once you land on the online server page, all you need to do is simply go ahead and paste the code right below and then click on submit. Once you do that, it will generate a data flow diagram of your given code. And that's as easy as that. You could also directly ask ChatGPT to generate image for level 1 and wait for a bit. It will simply give you the image that you want. And when your image is ready, you could easily download it from here, or you could just add the code here and generate image from plant UML. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.